Okay, so here's my hinge hook in place in a garage door application. Gonna go ahead and close the garage door now and see how well it stands up for anybody who doubts that it'll work. Okay, so obviously that worked. That was under the force of a operating garage door. Obviously, if it failed in a fire situation, it would come crashing down. We'll try that in just a second. Hook looks like it's still in good shape. A little bit of deformity there, but it held. There went my garage door opener. That probably won't work now. A little bit of grease, but other than that it held. So now I'll walk over and we'll pull the emergency release. We'll see what happens. Besides it snapping off. Looks like it worked there too. Sweet. Now I'll go back and tie that emergency release back on. Everybody be safe.